I explained single phase, double phase, three phase. There are motors with a 3 coils, 1 coil, 2 coils, 3 coils, exactly the same, and there are motors with 3 phases. Those motors with 3 phases are excellent in comparison with the motor with single phase. Let me explain something. Look at this. This is a motor single phase with 1 capacitor. And this is a motor, this is a 3-phase motor. This one also, look, I have 1 phase, 2 phase, 3 phase, and neutral. And this is the ground. You see? 1 phase, 2 phase, 3 phase. You remember when I explained one motor with only 1 phase is like a motor with only 1 piston. It's hard, no? What happens if the motor have 2 pistons? Oh, it's soft. What happened 3 pistons? Oh, it's nice. What happened 8 pistons? You remember that? Okay, the motor with 1 piston suction more amps. And the motor with 3 phases, less amps. For that reason, pay attention. If the compressor of the motor, if the motor of the compressor in your air conditioning equipment in your home is single phase, you pay only because you have that air conditioning unit $120 per month. If you replace that air conditioning unit, no single phase, 3-phase motor, now the bill is $40, $35.
You have to have 3-phase power.
Yeah, it's because the 3-phase, the consumption in amps is less. That's nice, no? Okay. What is the advantage of the 3-phase motors in comparison with the single-phase motor? The consumption in amps, less. Probably those motor 3-phase, high speed, low temperature. That one probably reached the same speed than this, but what happened when you touch the motor? It's too hot, no? And probably this motor produces more torque than this. In other words, this motor is more efficient than this one, single phase. Anybody follow me? This is very important. Other advantage of the 3-phase motor is this. Where is coming those 3 phases for that motor? This is the motor of the elevator. Where are coming those 3 phases? Guys, this is the motor that I installed in the bow thruster. AC motor for the bow thruster. And where are coming those 3 phases? From the generator or from the shore power? From the panel. You remember when you select generator or shore power, you have a breaker 3-phase for this motor. Everybody follow me? Okay, pay attention. The advantage of this motor is that when you switch the 3 phases coming, you switch 2 phases, this with this, the motor spins in opposite direction. Which one can I switch? Any. You can switch this with this or this with this, any of those. You switch 2 phases and the motor spins in opposite direction. This is a great advantage of those motors. And depending how is the combination of those phases, I have low speed, high torque, low speed, or reverse rotation. When you play with the phases, you have different options. For that reason, you see on the plate of the motor here, if you put together 1 and 3, and the other one with the green with the yellow, and the green with the, you have low torque. In this configuration, you have high torque, in this one high speed, in this one low speed. Depending how you play, you have this 3-phase motor for high torque, low torque, high speed, and low speed, and you have the configuration here in the plate. All the 3-phase motors, they have that option. Those motors are wonderful. Now, I want this motor for low speed, ultra high torque. Oh, I use the 4 configuration. Oh, I want this motor for high speed, low torque. The number 1. Yeah, you like it?